To care for our nails, follow these steps. Keep them clean. Regularly wash your hands and nails with mild soap and water to remove dirt and bacteria. Trim and shape. Use a nail clipper or nail scissors to trim your nails to a desired length. File them gently in one direction to shape them. Avoid biting and picking. Refrain from biting your nails or picking at the cuticles, as it can damage the nail bed and increase the risk of infection. Moisturize cuticles. Apply cuticle oil or a moisturizing cream to keep the cuticles soft and prevent them from becoming dry or cracked. Use a gentle nail polish remover. When removing nail polish, opt for an acetone-free remover to avoid drying out your nails. Protect nails. Wear gloves when doing household chores or using harsh chemicals to prevent nails from becoming brittle or stained. Avoid excessive use of nail products. Limit the use of nail polish, gel polish, or artificial nails as they can weaken the nails over time. Allow your nails to breathe and recover between manicures. Maintain a healthy diet. Eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals to promote strong and healthy nails. Include foods like lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and biotin-rich foods like eggs and nuts. Hydrate nails and hands. Keep your